Hello students, our today's topic is IBM Smart Cloud Services. We had already discussed about the definition of cloud computing, what are the various features of cloud computing and what are the various application areas where cloud computing is used. Now IBM is a cloud service provider. There are number of cloud vendors that are providing the services to the customers, and it's not very surprising the big name in the computer world are the biggest name in the list of cloud service provider like Google, IBM, Amazon, Microsoft. These all are providing the cloud services. Our today's topic is IBM Smart Cloud Services. IBM offers cloud computing services to help business of all sizes to take advantage of this increasingly attractive computing model. This increasingly attractive computing model is cloud computing. So IBM is applying an industry specific consultant expertise and established technology to record and offer the secure services to companies in public, private and hybrid cloud models. Basically there are three models we had already discussed: private model, deployment model, public and hybrid. So IBM is providing these three kind of deployment models to the customer. IBM Smart Clouds solution really enables one to bring together people from all over different geographic locations in a way that is very easy and makes it simple to try new types of collaboration and innovation. IBM cloud computing strategy is basically based upon the hybrid cloud model that focuses on integrating the private cloud services of a company with the public cloud. Private cloud services. Selecting the deployment model totally depends upon the need of an organization. What kind of requirement any organizations is having, according to that they have to select the service model as well as deployment model. We had already discussed that private cloud is only used when our major concern is security and privacy. But private cloud requires a capital expenditure. Huge amount is required to set up private cloud. In contrast to this private cloud, public cloud, no big investment is required. Customer has to pay as per his or her usage, but he has or she has to compromise little bit with the security and privacy of his or her data. Hybrid basically is the combination of private as well as public cloud. So IBM cloud computing strategy basically focus on integrating these two kind of services, that it basically focus on hybrid cloud strategy. So IBM strategy also include change services for cloud adoption and design services for our cloud infrastructure to help clients to develop a cloud roadmap as well as develop and test cloud, IBM Smart Desktop Cloud, IBM Cloud Service Provider platform to help build an enterprise cloud environment. IBM Cloud is uniquely designed to equip you with the data, technology, new business opportunities, innovative solutions, gaining value for one's business and industry more quickly. One can access to a next generation platform built on open technology, featuring robust infrastructure designed to facilitate and accelerate innovation. So some features of the IBM Smart Cloud is Smart Mail solution. One can access business class grade email services that are efficiently managed by IBM It also includes the features like spell check and conversation threads, etc. Robust calendaring and time management system is also one of the feature of IBM Smart Cloud. It also has the mobile access smart mobile solution. Mobile access exists for Android, BlackBerry, Apple, Nokia and Windows Mobile, etc. Data is accessible for compliance and e-discovery. Collaboration and instant messaging is also one of the feature of IBM Smart Cloud. One can host online meetings with all the features one need, like include application and desktop sharing, chat, etc. IBM Smart Cloud Docs integration is also one of the best feature of IBM Smart Cloud. So it provides industry specific business consulting services for cloud computing. It also provides technology consulting, design and implementation services, and cloud security is one of the major concern by the IBM Smart Cloud. Various service models by IBM Cloud. All cloud service provider provide different kind of services to the users. IBM provide three kind of services to the user. One is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means vendor provides user access to the computing resources like server, storage, networking, and basically organization use their own platform and application within the service provider's infrastructure. This service is called infrastructure as a service. Basically, cloud computing is having three kind of services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. IBM Smart Cloud provide the solution for all these three kind of service models. So basic feature is, instead of purchasing hardware, one can use by paying a little amount to the IBM. The servers can be used and it can be scalable depending upon the one's need, one's storage needs. It also save lots of money. It also save the maintenance cost as well. As the data is in the cloud, there's no more single point of failure. So it enables the virtualization of administrative tasks, freeing up time for other works. Platform as a service is a second service provided by IBM Smart Cloud. It offers the providers users with the cloud environment in which they can develop, manage and deliver application. In addition to storage and other computing resources, users are able to use a pre-built tools to develop, customize and test their own application. So PaaS, that is platform as a service, provides your tools to test, develop and host applications. It enables the organization to focus on the development without worrying about the underlying infrastructure, that they have to purchase any software or updated softwares are required. So companies have not to concentrate on these things. They just have to concentrate on the development. Provider manage security, operating system, server softwares and backups, etc. Software as a service is a cloud computing offering that provide user with access to vendors cloud-based software. User has not to install any application on their local device. Instead, application reside on the remote cloud network accessed, that is to be accessed by the user using web or any API. So SaaS vendor provide user with software and applications via subscription model. One has to subscribe the model and from that the client can use the various applications of softwares. Data is secure in the cloud. Equipment failure doesn't result in the loss of data. One can install and upgrade software as and when required. Resources can be scaled up or down as per the requirement. Applications are accessible from almost any internet connected device. So internet connected device. Cloud computing is an internet based technology. So one of the major requirement of using cloud computing is internet connection. So there is no one size that fits all solution for the cloud adoptions. Companies has to decide according to their cost and benefit model, what model basically suits them. They have to decide according to their workload, and they have to do the deep workload assessment. Only then they can decide in which cloud service provider they have to choose, and what kind of deployment model they require, and what kind of services they have to use. So thank you.